Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. Somebody needing some help making this shape. There's probably other ways to do it, but they drew this out and they're using the Smart Fill tool. And they want to know, they want to know a faster way to fill in these blocks. And when I get to it, the weld tool just doesn't weld very good. So we're just going to use the Smart Fill tool. And we're going to start right there. And we're just going to fill these in. And it is time consuming. And you got to make sure you get every one, and some of them are easy, but when they get to the part. But first of all, his first question is time. You only have to do that much. Now this is grouped together, so let's group it. The others grouped together, so let's Control G. And then let's mirror it. Well, I didn't make a copy. And then, so I Control D and made a copy. Now he had all these grouped together, and I'm not going to delete them because I might want them later. Now, two things are going to happen. I'm going to make a duplicate of this. See the lines? On this one, I'm going to left click, right click. On this one, like he says, when he welds it, he gets a weird configuration. That's pretty common. But also when he welds this one, it doesn't weld all the lines. So the way around that, all these basically bad lines are on the inside. I mean, except for maybe that one, I'd go well, probably don't have to, but I'm going to go and delete that. Just delete these two lines. I don't think it's going to matter. No, it wouldn't matter because they were on the inside. So I'm going to delete this, and I'm going to take a rectangle, and I'm going to take the Smart Fill tool, and I'm going to go and use that color, and I'm going to hit the inside and nudge it over twice, and hit the outside, nudge it over twice. There's the shape. I'm going to take the blue and fill that in. There is your shape with no lines in it. And it's pretty perfect. It might be a little rough on the edges, but it's a perfect shape of what he wanted. And in lieu of going through here with this virtual segment delete key and deleting these lines, well, these were pretty easy, but there can be some lines, well, right in here. Here's some right here. Those are little bitty lines, so you have to make sure you get them all. And like right there. So, and even more, and so you could keep going forever. But I'm going to call this double Smart Fill. It's a lot quicker than, when some things just won't weld. You're asking Corel to do and I'm not defending Corel. You're asking it to do a lot of, so I was already saved in time by just doing half of it. And now that'll save a lot of time by making that shape. Anyway, I hope that answered his question. Thank you for watching.